So I want to talk a little bit about setting and removing part of the grid on the screen, as well as how to make sure that your Sheetcam is set up correctly. One of the critical things that I always have set up in Sheetcam is making sure that every single one of these view options here at the top of the screen are all selected. You notice when I don't have it selected, it's gray or white, and when I have it selected, it's more of a dark gray or blue on the screen. And then you'll notice that every single one of these is lit up. So we want to make sure that's the first case. Next one is we can right click with our mouse any point on the screen and click on show grid to show grid, or right click again and click on show grid to remove grid. Next up, we want to check a couple settings in Sheetcam, make sure everything is working correctly. We go to options, job options. We see that our size is here and here. With 24 by 24, we have our origin in the bottom left-hand corner. That looks great. That's where we want it. I'm going to set my rapid clearance though to 0.5 or 0.75 actually. I like a little bit of a higher rapid. And that's all I need to do on this side. So I just go ahead and hit OK. I don't worry about material thickness unless I'm doing routing, in which case that comes into effect there. Next, I'll go into machine, and we'll just do a quick walk through the machine, make sure everything is working right. Jet cutting, that's where it should be. Post processor, I have my Pro Kit edited. There's going to be a number of post processors out there. Just make sure it says right CNC Pro Kit, either constant touch off, non-float, or 1218 edited is also one. Output files in inches, output folder, remember last. Z0 is top of work. You'll also see sometimes it'll say always use this folder, Mach 3 G-code files. That's also another option. Working envelope, we just want to make sure that's in the bottom left-hand corner there. Table display, also in the bottom left-hand corner there. And then once we're set with that, we just hit OK, and we're good to go. So there we go, checking up on Sheetcam, at least the basics. Another thing I would do is go into Tool, Tool Table, make sure automatically generate name is unchecked. But again, that's for other things that you'll encounter throughout this process. I wouldn't worry about that right now. And there we go.